Okay, you might ask what we're doing here. We made a template in the boat with this tarp. How do you call this stuff? We've cut up our old mattress. As you can see, we've got piles of foam. So we're going to make 2 pieces of the single mattress we have. It's quite important to save money now because as you know, we bought a boat and we're completely broke. And let's see if we can make 2 reasonably comfortable mattresses, and tomorrow we'll put it in a boat, see if it fits, make some adjustments there, and yeah, then we can move into the boat as soon as possible. Thank you.
You were right, I apologize. Please don't leave me. Please don't leave me no more. I know you tried a million times to forgive me, but please don't leave me. Oh, don't you leave me. You are the best thing in my life, baby, that I finally see. You are the best thing in my life, baby, that I finally see.
As you can see, it's a big mess here, so let's show it to you. I'm working on the mattresses with this sticky stuff. I'm high as a kite. Seriously, it's not doable in a small room. There's the window, it's open, a little bit of ventilation, but definitely not enough. Anyway. What I've been doing, I've been cutting foam and gluing and test fitting, and now we have one almost ready. As you can see, there's a little piece that's not there yet, but I have some leftovers in the room.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you. You caught my eye, and I've got a feeling I'm falling. Show me the ring and I'll jump right through. I used to. I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
Back to the drawing board, I guess.
Est un petit peu haut. There is a hole in the deck.
living in the Netherlands isn't doable without a stove. Vincent and his dad therefore installed this Dickinson diesel stove. The fuel pump is directly connected to the main diesel tank, so we don't need to refuel that often. Zijn we bij oma Bleukie? Bij oma Bleukie?
So we are here at Steven's place to maintain the stunt riding bikes, but it happened to be that the guy that we bought the boat from lives nearby, and he said, I might have some stuff laying around for the boat. So he happened to have one mainsail, one high aspect jib, and I think one storm sail, yeah, for the cutter stay. So yeah, all in all 3 sails, some small parts, some custom clothing for the boat, which says SV Sailing Yacht Hero. So very nice indeed. So we have a spare main now. Needs to be fixed at some places, but it's still usable. So we might use it to cross the Atlantic, because it's all downwind and you don't need good sails.
The fire is, hè? Allee, uit. Allee.
Hello, you bastards.
Am I talking to you?
Am I talking to you?
Okay, so here we have Bleukie's.
That's not live,
he's
huh?
fixing the potatoes
The country
for in the
potatoes.
oven.
This is my offshore suit, which came with the boat. As you can see, it fits like a glove.
Okay, we have a nice sunshine, so you don't see anything now. But I'm on my way to Edward's house. Edward is the friend of us who I guess we bought a boat because he bought a boat. Well, he already left, so with his Twister 28 boat, and I tried to sell his house for him, but that didn't work out. We thought it would sell very quickly, but in fact it didn't. We're gonna get it to a real broker, because I'm not a broker, of course. I have a meeting with the broker at this place. No bikers, okay. Well, bikers, I mean people on the push bikes. So we've got a lot of push bikes here in Holland. Everybody has a push bike, and especially in big places like Utrecht or Amsterdam. Amsterdam is pretty famous to everybody, so yeah, a lot of push bikes there. It's very dangerous. A lot of bumps in the road. Oh, the heating is, what's it say? Well, maybe this will do. Let's give him a 20 degrees Celsius for now. So we're going to check what the broker has to say about it, and we can be here any minute, and I have to go to the bathroom really necessarily. So I'll see you later and let you know. This is the end of season 1. Next will be all about living on board and make some trips with our new home. Hope you enjoyed the first season. We would like you to stay with us, as we can promise you it will only get better. Thank you for your support. See you next time.